All right, so here's the deal, right? 51, right? 51, we all know that's the trail. As long as the price is below 51, there's going to be some chop time right now. It's 9:14, 16 minutes to open. We know that the smart money is going to give everybody a hard time. It's going to try to shake everybody out of here. However, we are expecting the price to, right, as long as you be below, to take this no man's land 46, 47, and then clean break of the low. When it finally comes, it's going down all the way to 35. Alrighty? Okay, so we have, right, so our gauge is right here, 51. And of course, that everybody knows that 54 is the high of this channel. 45, 54, we are in a 9-point channel right now. Okay? So let's continue watching. All this volatility was brought by the ADP this morning at, right, what was that? Yeah, the ADP, the employment report at 8:15 this morning, okay? All righty. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, so we have here our support, 45, right? Right. Bouncing, as we expected. We need more momentum. For the price to break it, it's going to take some time. Just like we said, price is going to leap up and down here. It's going to play with everybody. It's going to try to shake you out. The trail is 51. However, that doesn't mean that we're going to desist on wanting to be short anymore. On the contrary, all right, we know that 54 is the high of the channel. And then, of course, 57, ladies and gentlemen, is the squeeze. All right, so tough luck breaking this 57 right here, right? So price finally took our 47, and we know that taking a 47, it'll continue to 35, right? So that's 12 points that we're looking to make on this break. However, look at the time, 9:28. The open is coming. We know 51 is the gauge. We know the smart money is going to give everybody a hard time right here. We're going to stick to the plan. All right. Is that 51 and a quarter mistake?
That is correct.
That brought us all the way to 48, 48, 49, 50, 51. Gave us 4 points in 4 seconds, and we're gonna stick to the plan. Alrighty? Okay. Remember what I told you. Smart money is gonna try to shake the bears. It's gonna try to shake everybody out. All right. We'll continue with our direction until the market itself reveal itself and tell us that it's not going to do anymore what we said it was going to do. Is that 54 to the tick again, Mystique?
To the tick.
All righty then. We're going to continue with our plan. Remember, we have a predetermined pivot 66. Remember, the high of the wave is 61. All right? 61. That's the high of the wave. And then the predetermined pivot right there at 66. Okay? Let's see. Alrighty, so we are on a single cycle. Remember that 61 is the high of the wave, of a bearish wave, and this 57, our 57 here, the squeeze, the one that is the one that has one of the highest probabilities, is 57 right here. Our squeeze is a swing high. All right, so if the price takes it, then it's gonna be a more shaken out. All right, it is a swing high. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we know that 57 is a swing high, and we now have another gauge. Remember 51, above 51, the bulls are in control, right? Now we have another gauge, 55. Okay, so above 55, the bulls are in control, and now for the bears, it's good because price went from 51 to 55, 4 points up. Below 55, right? Those of us who are sure right here, expecting the longer term trend, we need the price to be now not below 51, but 55. Okay, still the open, still early, and of course, we all know the smart money is gonna shake everybody out, but us. Off of 44, right? Look at this bounce, beautiful bounce off of 44 that we caught, remember? Oh my God, hey, remember at the open, a couple of minutes before the open, hey, look at the bounce, look at the bounce. Oh my God, look at the bounce, the open momentum is coming, right? So we all knew it. Oh, really? Yeah, that's right. Look, and I tell you, look at 55. Since I told you 55 is now the new gauge. Above 55, the bulls are gonna do everything in their power to break 57 and take it to 61. And to remember we have a predetermined pivot, 66, right? Where is it? Here it is, 66. All right, we have a predetermined pivot 66. Which, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, it looks like it's going up a little bit. Hold on a second. Ladies and gentlemen, remember 66 was our predetermined pivot resistance. Now 66 is by way of, it moved up 6 more points all the way to 72. So the new predetermined pivot resistance is 72. Of course, by way of 66. As long as the price is above 55, bulls are in control, and they're going to do everything in their power to take it to 72. 55 to 72. Look at the crossing of 55 again, ladies and gentlemen. Time right now, 9:56, right? So in other words, remember, knowing where the price is going is not enough. We need to know how it's going to get there, because that's the only way that we're going to be able to really manage our position. All right, we remain with the plan as long as I don't change it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna move the 55 to, we're gonna move it up 1 point to 56. So pretty close to our squeeze 57, right? Look how the 57 short is holding. Look how it, right? 57 to the tick all the way to 53. Right, and then again 57, 53, 57, 53. All right, so we're moving the gauge from 55 to 56. As long as the price is below 56, then we still expect a move down all the way to where we said. Now, it's going to be a little different, right? So time right now, 9:58, 2 minutes to the ISM report. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Right, so our squeeze short 57 working. Remember, we move it up to 55. Time right now, 9:59. In 1 minute, we're going to have the Institute of Supply Management release. Okay? And that's going to give us a little bit more information as to what the real intentions of the smart money is. Keep with the plan. All right? Keep it up. All righty, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So we're clear, right? 6 to 66, right? Okay, so ISM came. Look how it broke 56, beautiful, right? Change of direction confirmed. And we know what the levels of resistance are, but we also know where the bulls wants to take it. 72, remember, by way of 66. So those of us who took the 66 right here, by way of 66, right? But we're going to do everything in our power to continue letting it right all the way to 72. Okay? So how do you do this? Well, we know that ISM is coming. Got to be fast. We know that a clean break of 56, price will go to 72. 66 to 72 is not, it's not nothing to write home about, but still it's pretty good. By way of 66. So we are expecting a recoil off of here of 66. We've known it for half an hour already. All right? Okay. Change of hat to bull to 72. 72 is target 1, and we are on our way looking for target 2 and 3. Tell me that the S&P 500 is not rigged, mistake. What do you think? That the smart money, when they went long right here at the open, they didn't know the release at 10 a.m. already? What do you think, that they didn't know? It is what it's called day trading for us. So listen, this is not a day for amateurs or looky-lookers or on all those fake gurus out there on YouTube claiming to be real traders. All right, let's write it to 72. I don't know, Mystique, but is that 72?
That is correct.
Right, that's 72 quarter, isn't it?
That's right.
All right, so target 1 officially hit. And look at the momentum, ladies and gentlemen. This thing went parabolic at the open, and look after the release, right? So watch out, okay?